Today we'll talk about functions and default parameters in Python programming language or scripting language. So how are we going to start with the function? We need to give a keyword called def because our Python is case sensitive, so we need to give def. This defines the function, and you can name a function such as hello, and we'll give a parameter called str inside it. So whatever user provides inside this, we will try to print hello, that person's name. Let me write it again, because every function has to have a colon, because whatever you want to do, you need to do after it. Let us return a certain string like hello, and we'll concatenate it with the user entry, that is whatever he or she enters in str. Okay. Let me run it for you. How are we going to run it? We need to write print and the function name, this, and then in the parameters we have to pass the name which we want to say hello to, like Ijaz. Okay, this function results in hello Ijaz. Let me write a sort of a mathematical function for you. For that, again we need define def, let it be multiple of 10, and again we'll pass a value, say x, and followed by the colon, and then we'll return say any value which user provides into 10. This is what this function says. Let me run it for you. Again print, then the function name, and in the parameters we are going to pass any number that we want to be multiplied by 10. So let us pass 5, and we know that 50 will be the result. So this is how the function works. Now we'll talk about the default parameters, the parameter passing, how it is done in our Python. For that, again we'll make a function, say name nf, and we will give first name and last name. First fir for first, lst for last, then followed by the colon, and then we'll print what we print. We'll give a %s. Let us leave it to the user. Whatever he or she enters, we'll transfer it to these two %s, one for fir, second for lst. Then percent, we'll copy and paste these values. These needs to be identical to this, so I copied it. I'll show how actually it will work. Okay, let me run it for you first. So nm is our function. What we are going to pass? Some name, okay, see, we have Ijaz Khan. FIR is transferred to this %s. LST, whatever user has given, like I have given Khan, KHN will be transferred to this place. Now let us do one more thing, that let's define it already, means let's make it default. For that, let me copy this again, and in FIR I will give, I want always FIR to have this particular name and LST to have this particular name, unless and until user overrides it. Let me run it for you. I will not give any parameter. Without any parameter, how this function is going to work? Because since we have already two variables being defined as default, so we don't need to give anything, just nm will have this Ijaz. unless and until user wishes to give some other name, like say Praveen Kumar, then these two values will be overridden. That means FIR will have Praveen and LST will have KHN. Let us run it. See, we have Praveen Kumar. And what if user wishes to give only one name, say Praveen? Then what will happen? This will be given to FIR, but LST is not given, so it will take Khan. So it will be Praveen Khan. Okay. Again, if user wishes not to provide the first name, just the last, by this assignment, again Praveen will be already there, Ejaz will be already there because it is already being given, but we have changed it, the last name to Kumar, so we have Ejaz Kumar. So this is how the function is being defined and how our default parameters and other parameters work. Thank you so much. Take care.